Hey, it's CopperCarver, and today we are going to be doing the unboxing of the Govee Curtain Light 2. So what is new and improved with the Govee Curtain Light 2? The main thing is it is smoother, it has more effects, you're able to put bigger GIFs into it, and I'm not saying GIFs with a T, I'm saying GIF, where you can put mobile GIFs into the app where those GIFs can then be acted out on the curtain. This does have 520 LEDs. It is waterproof, can put these outside, so that's wonderful. In the box, of course, is the lights, but I already have them mounted, but you'll see video shots of it. Normally I like to make videos mounting it, but I feel like explaining it, y'all understand what I mean. What's in it and what's cool is right away, we have a card right here that is Govee Curtain Lights. Prepare to unbox your DIY lighting magic, which DIY is creating your own effects. You can create your own effects using the AI bot, or there's a place in the app where you can actually kind of draw things, so that's really cool. So if you had the first curtain lights, you know that the hooks that you hang up the lights on kind of had to be assembled. Well, these ones are a lot more simple. So these are the hooks that come right out of the box, and they actually have different ways that you can do it. One, they have the adhesive on the back right here, so you can just put it up, or they have a little hanger right here, so you can probably use nails. But what I really like is that once you put it up, the light itself, you can just kind of, the little mounting brackets that's on the lights, you can just kind of slide in right there. That way, if you need to order more of these, you can have some of these in your bedroom, or you can hang it up in your game room. Or if you needed more of these outside, let's say for the holidays, you don't have to unscrew everything and take everything off the wall, which is a lot easier and makes things be able to move around a lot easier. It came with, I believe, 12 of these, but what I realized is what you can do is you can actually space these out a lot and pull it real tight. And honestly, you don't need one for each and every little section. What's also cool is that it comes with these little brackets, I want to call them, where this right here, you attach this on the bottom, and it actually keeps the bottom kind of spaced out. The bottoms of them can get kind of tangled up and cross over each other and stuff like that. So this just kind of makes sure that that stays apart. I'll admit, I already put this up because I got it a couple months ago. I got it early as an ambassador, but the release was delayed a little bit and they were working out some kinks, so Govee asked us not to do a review yet. So I already mounted it up, but I'll kind of show y'all where I put it on top of my closet. It fit perfectly despite being super full in here with everything. I'll get into some of the things that I'm hearing quite a few complaints of. You cannot connect the Govee Curtain Lights 2 with Curtain Lights 1. So as some of you may know, you're able to connect up to 3 of these. However, you are not able to connect the Govee Curtain Light 2 to the first ones. Same thing, Govee has apparently said that there will be an update, but at the moment, the DIYs, which is a super fun community process to come together and you create all these lights and you can share all the different effects, and especially with these, I mean, you're essentially creating art and then you can share it. But if you created DIYs with the first generation of curtain lights, you can't use those on this. And I'll admit that is a big disappointment. It doesn't make sense to me. I'll admit it's upsetting to a lot of people. However, I did see that some staff has said that they're working on an update where hopefully they can change that. I've looked at some of the GIFs that you can put on the curtain light, and I'll admit it's not always that clear. I'll show some examples, but I'll put a GIF up and I'm like, that doesn't look that good. I was expecting everything to be super clear. Now, I will say the GIFs that come in the app itself, it's great and it's clear and the effects are wonderful. So we'll definitely be taking a look at some of the scenes, the music mode, which the music mode is so awesome. I love all of them. There's honestly so many scenes that it's overwhelming, but it's overall a great thing. But let's go ahead and take a look at the app, and then we'll take a look at the scenes. So let's do that. So I'll admit that I already added the device to the app. So other than clicking plus and add device, here we go right here. So we have our typical colors menu right here. Right here we have scenes. So a couple different ones that I'll just go through real quick. These are all honestly very cool. I love these. As you can see right here, feel free to pause to see some of the other ones that you like. Now, I believe there will be an update that will add more of these a little later. Here are the music mode ones. I love the music mode ones. DIY, which you can see a couple different ones here that are shared, which hopefully more will be added. We have the finger sketch right here. I'm just kind of messing around with it, but you can do a finger sketch and then change some of the settings so they appear on the curtain light. Here is the AI bot. I'm just going to type something random, make me Master Chief helmet. It doesn't always get it right. I'll admit, it doesn't always. Sometimes it makes it right, sometimes it's cool, but I'll admit, I don't always have the best luck, and you can kind of see that right here. I said, make me a Master Chief helmet.
Would you like me to apply the recommended scene for you?
Then I asked you to apply it. It looked more like a Spartan helmet, like an actual Spartan helmet, so maybe it got kind of confusing with the things. And then there are actual images. I'm going to go through these real quick because there is a lot. Oh my goodness, there's a lot. And you just click this and they are still images. Really cool. There's so many, guys. I mean, and on a lot of these, I can swipe up and down, and there's so many more. There's just an endless amount of possibilities. So here we go. And then we have the GIF section. So this is awesome. These are the preset GIFs. There's some for holidays. I mean, tons of different things. And these GIFs work really well. They show up really great. They're really defined. So these are awesome. It's whenever you try to add your own, they don't always look the best. But yeah, that is it right here. So as you can see, there's so many different options of effects to choose from. And I'll admit, since I got this a couple months ago, I haven't seen a clear update on this device yet. So if you were looking through some of the scenes and you tried pausing it, I'm pretty sure that there are even more now. And whenever you connect or splice together 2 or 3 of these, I'm pretty sure that those scenes will expand, or they may even add some more. There is also a Govee Curtain Light 2 collaboration with the new DreamWorks movie coming out. It is called The Wild Robot, and I know that if you buy that version, it actually comes with some extra scenes. The movie does actually look really good, but I'll admit it's one of those typical commercials. The trailer literally gives away the entire movie, but it still looks good. So I'm excited to see that Govee's doing more collaborations like we've seen with the Evangelion light and things like that. So that's super cool. But let's go ahead and take a look at some of the scenes. There's quite a few, so this section will probably last quite a bit, but I hope that y'all enjoy seeing them. So this is the Govee Curtain Light 2. Honestly, it is amazing. I hope they add some of the functionality from the first one to be able to work with the second one. I know that that's one of the biggest things that a lot of Govee fans are kind of upset about, so hopefully they do fix that. I'm sorry if I didn't get super specific into some of the things, but there are already a lot of great videos out on YouTube that I've seen about this. Here in a couple days, I should be learning what my next new Govee product is going to be, so I'm really excited about that. I still love using the Govee projector, so if you haven't seen that video, you should go check it out. But guys, I'm CopperCarver. I love this light. It's really cool. You should take a look at it. But thank you guys. Like, share, subscribe.